How to delete or archive old content in Polybuzz.ai. First of all, open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your account. Once you are in your profile, scroll down and you will see all the posts, AI characters or content you have previously created. To delete the post, tap on the three-dot menu next to the content you want to remove and select Delete. Confirm your choice when prompted and the post will be permanently removed from your account. If you want to keep a post for future reference but remove it from public view, choose the archive option instead if available. This moves the content to your archive folder where only you can access it. Archiving is useful if you want to declutter your feed without losing any important AI-generated posts or characters. You can always restore archived content later if needed. Now you know how to delete or archive old content in Polybuzz.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.